Hello, Budoys. Your mom is here. Today, we're gonna teach you how to cook the easy way vegetable stir fry. Okay?
So, watch and listen carefully.
So, first, garlic. Lots of garlic. Now the onions. Just half onion. So now after slicing the chicken, let's put some Silver Swan soy sauce. Just enough to cover all the meat. If you measure this, maybe half cup. That's my estimate. Turn on into medium heat. Now, let's put the margarine, maybe around 2 to 3 tablespoons. After that, you put a little bit of oil. So as you can see, the margarine is already melted. Let's put the onion first. After 1-2 minutes, put the garlic. After putting the garlic and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, you can put your meat. Just keep stirring until the meat turn white. Then you can leave this for a few minutes. Always check if it's already cooked or not. So you put the lid on and wait for it. So always check every 2 to 3 minutes. Put some salt, 1 or 2 tablespoons of salt. After that, you put some pepper. So put pepper. You mix it very well. Now, Budoy, you put some chicken broth, but this is a powder, so you put 1 to 2 tablespoons depending of your taste. Because we always do bana-bana here. And try to taste. We leave it for 5 minutes and we're gonna put the frozen vegetables that we bought on Costco. So doy, and this is how much you need to cook. So, Doy, it's already 7 minutes. I know I said 5 minutes, but I had something to do. I really need to do so. Okay, not bad anyway. So, you stir it. You see the meat is already cooked. After that, Doy, you put the vegetables. You see it how frozen it is. So you stir it because it's stir fry vegetables. After that, put the lid back and we'll check after 5 minutes if the vegetables is already cooked. Alright. Doy, it's already 5 minutes. So I think it's not done yet. So let's put another 5 minutes to it. Okay, Doy. Okay, Doy. The 5 minutes is over. Let's see. I think it's already cooked. Okay, and let's turn off the heat. So, Doy, this is how you cook stir-fry vegetables.
Yes.
So, if you're watching this, my challenge to you is to cook.
Yes, you have to cook it.
Because your mom here is injured, so she can't work, she can cook yet. So, my challenge is you cook for your mom when I'm gone at work. Okay? Okay, Doy. Buyers.
See you next cooking session.